Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got an 18 by 24 canvas down. It's actually a pre-painted, I did a pour on it and wasn't that crazy about it, so I've covered it. I've got black acrylic and a mixture of blues that I had mixed up of this little piggy pigment, so it's my own custom color because it's just leftovers mixed together and I put it down the center. So I'm going to be throwing some boom gels down. And let's see what we can create. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, everyone. All your wonderful comments and your thumbs up and watching the videos. I just so appreciate it so very much. I can't thank you enough. And I know I say it in every video, but I truly do love you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, Greg's going to hit some music. And I'm just going to go a little crazy with my boom gels and have some fun. All right, hit the music, hon.
I woke up tired and blue, but then I peeked and saw you, ready to take on a day all Your brown eyes looking into mine. Your brown eyes looking into mine. Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue. You value how I'm feeling. How do you have so much time? Been searching for a reason for why you'd love a chick design. Aren't you listening to me now? Screamed all my secrets, why don't you leave them? Ooh. Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue. Tell me that I owe you. Don't you need to refuel? The safety when I hold you. You know exactly what to do. Did you fall out of the heavens or crawl up from under? I can't help but wonder. Ooh, oh, is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue. Stuck in the blue.
I've been thinking about you and me, and I think I'm ready to see what we could be. Let's spend the night to feel it out and see what this love is all about. I'm gonna take you downtown, downtown. There's like nobody's around, around. No time as I could right now, right now, waiting with you. And honey, yes, you are just that sweet. And when you're smiling right at me, you just about bring me to one knee. Let's spend some time together now and see where this love takes us. If it makes us all, if it breaks us. I'm gonna take you downtown, downtown. There's like nobody's around, around. No time is like a right now, right now, waiting with you. I'm gonna take you downtown, downtown. There's like nobody is around, around. No time is like a right now, right now. Whenever I'm with you, whenever I'm with you, whenever, whenever, oh, oh. Whenever, whenever I'm with you, oh, 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 oh. Whenever, whenever, hey. Gonna take you downtown, downtown. There's like nobody is around, around. No time is like a right now, right now. Whenever I'm with you, oh, I'm gonna take you downtown. There's like nobody is around. No time is like a right now, right now. Whenever I'm with you.
I would erase you from my memory and plant you fresh and clean. Your eyes, your heart, your mind. The way you touch, the way you look at me, the way you see me now. I would forget you and find you new, so fresh and calm. I would forget you and find you new, so fresh and calm. That will be beautiful to see, how we belong, how we no longer bleed, how we no longer need to heal. I'll pick you one, all this gets real. I'll pick you one, all this gets real. The soil I'll choose will make it easier. We'll each have our own place. You'll grow, but leave room for me to have some healthy space. You'll grow, but leave room for me to have some healthy space. I won't be walking on my tiptoes, dear, or feel your discontent. I would forget you and discover ease without the net. I would forget you and discover ease without the net. That will be beautiful to see, how we belong, how we no longer bleed.
real. I pick you when all this gets real. I pick you when all this gets real.
I was out there alone, moving from station to station. I'd been searching for the right one, but I was ready for something more. My perfect love, you were out there going solo.